Okay, 29. Welcome. So 29 ask you about the PZ. It gives you a P of 0, P of 2, and ask you about, and give you the P prime of 0, P prime of 2, and ask you about the X times P double primes and something. Okay. Okay, so we want to do this. And to do this, what we need to know is so this is P prime of X prime, right? So we can do the integration by part. So basically this xp prime to 0 minus integral of p prime dx to 0. Okay. So this is integration by part. So this is 2p prime of 2, because when x equals 0, this vanish, right? And then this is p, right? So this is p. So this is 2p prime 2 minus p of 2 plus p of 0. So what we have is minus 2 minus 3 plus 3. Is it correct? 2 times p minus 2 p2 and p0. Right. So the answer is minus 2. B. That's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.